This is a coin-wise thing.
Cause we got levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels. We set them. We set them. Pre-market out for the Lions is ready. Coolin' wise family and salmon, we steady. Deep cheers when the knowledge connecting. Wise lions studying with patience. Mandalo. In the morning, I'm nerding in, we're nerding out. Early morning levels without a doubt. Calling the zones in the structure. Pre-market nerd out. That's all that we about. Shout out to coin wise. Cause we got levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels. We set them. Why you be all on the trot if you rushing? Why you not marking the levels of sunken? Wise lions patient, we build it for structure. Mandalo teaching the code to the public. Coin wise outfits flowing abundance. Knowledge and discipline stacking the hundreds. Every reaction the lions know how I'm coming. Lions brigade when candles start pumping. Before the bell ringing, the lions on a mission. Studying candles, levels, and timing with precision. A boobalito in any market condition. Coin wise with Kimba Lions dominating the competition. We got levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels. We set them. Pre-market off for the Lions is ready. Coin wise family and seminar we steady. Big cheers with the knowledge connecting. Wise lions studying with patience. Mandalo. In the morning, I'm nerding in, we nerding out. Early morning levels without a doubt. Calling the zones in the structure. Pre-market nerd out. This all that we about. Shout out to coin wise. Cause we got levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels. We settle.
Yeah. Let's go. Happy Thursday. Happy Thursday. Are we getting echoes? What's an echo? Stand up on top of a... Stand up on top of a mountain. R. Kelly echo story. Shoutouts Lions, how we doing? Houston. Good afternoon. I almost said good morning. Curvies, you like that? You like that? You almost got the twerking. I thought that was funny as hell. If Kimba just saw that, he was like, what the fuck are you guys doing? Let's go, MEXC 83, how we doing? Latisse, Husty, Shaggy, Bergie, maybe, how we doing? We got you baited. Maybe, yeah, it was raining here for like 5-6 days straight. Poured hella hard last night. It's all done though. It's sunny skies for like the next 10 days. Doesn't matter, we're locked into the charts. Bangstar, Abanda. You in Florida maybe? UP and Hype Train, let's go. Kozar, Tigrin, Operator. Yeah, you got rugged, Curvies. Shout out Curvies. Buzz. All the LGT and appreciators. Got bounced for Mandalo too. I'm just fucking rugging everybody all over the place, aren't I? Well, I'm gonna give you some juice. Just like yesterday. I mean, yeah, I see you, maybe. Hey, you got a pool though. So, could be worse. Zavi. Inky, how we doing? With the hype coin and the hype train? Yeah, for real. Are you talking about the hype coin of the S&P? Holy shit, man. Just won't quit. Can't stop, won't stop. Pixel perfect this morning. Gex level from yesterday. Ballpoint, yep. Yep. We said that 72.2 needed to hold. It didn't even make it there. Yeah, we marked those unfilled rotations and everything. Juice. Juice. Okay, Kozar, Tigran, Operator. Sammy. Stand up, PSG. Dream Chaser. Yeah, you'll get some Liquidinity's Got Talent tomorrow, I believe. Exclamation dashboard for the full stream schedule. A couple adjustments were made this morning, but this is the new Mandalo schedule. I'm going to be here with y'all Monday, Wednesday mornings for market open. Pretty much 9 to noon. And market close on Thursdays. Meme coin. The meme coin is CoinWise. Exclamation CoinWise. Check it out. It's juice. Yeah, that's the one that won't quit paying itself off. Let's go. Ah, Bellis is just vibing. Hello, El Pasoto. How you doing? MEXC 83, let's go. Oh, brother Sozo, thank you. Thank you. Yeah, I mean, I'm trying to use it as much as I can. It's there for all of us. So let's use it. Great tools, great levels right there on the chart for us. And if you want to translate it over to the real charts, your trading view for like any other ticker that you're trying to look at, or using some of the other tools like the CoinWise tools, then you can transfer the levels over just like we do from the CoinWise daily levels every day. These little tangs. I gotta find where that window is so I can scroll through it. Yeah, they're marked up on my Coinbase chart, but we got some of these marked up on there. And we'll go back to the dashboard in a minute, but got some things on there. A little bit of new annotation on the chart. Yesterday, you know, pretty much lost value right off the open. And it was catch-away afterwards, huh? Maybe it'll retrace back to that previous day value area low. That single print is going to serve a little bit of resistance. We had that unfilled rotation. We did tap the beginnings of it. Started to accept within, but we're back outside now, so that's a good thing. We're changing structure. Even if that was swing fail, you have to wait for confirmation. Even with these lows looking the way they do, there's a lot of buying tails there. Yeah, not a great low. MEXC 83, let's go. Thank you, brother. Thank you. Yeah, right above that unfilled rotation point of control. Beautiful. Yeah, and grabbed all those single prints. We floated that scenario. We're bouncing around the single prints. But we definitely discussed the whole 782 to 782.3 area. Yesterday's Macaulay Culkin hour was juice. Well, enjoy them while they last. We might only have one more after today. Yeah, it's going to be Macaulay 2 minutes. I think that's all I've seen. It was juice though, wasn't it? It was like leading up into it, actually. That was a big catch-away on the resumption, like $1,000 gap. Okay. Yeah, you couldn't see as much, but everything is marked on the chart from the CoinWise daily levels. Yeah, and what I'm talking about here, you get some news this morning. Of course we do. We're trying to save our options for the week. Some of the buying low, you said it's not good? What? It's not always good. I mean, if you caught that level, then you can't lose. Can't lose. And it's doing what it needs to. It's doing what it needs to for continuation higher anyways. We got our second candle above value. Currently, we get a close up here. Maybe we'll fill in some more of that single print. But we definitely discussed that possibility of lower. We charted out on ETH and SOL, potential levels to the downside. It pretty much, I mean, SOL was clean. And ETH, not too bad there either. Exclamation rewind, exclamation YouTube to check that out. They are thinning out the books. So compare Tuesday's volume to after that contract switch yesterday. This is CME. Where's all the volume? They took off for the rest of the week. You heard? Even after like all these dumps. Now that is thinning volume on lows, so the follow through isn't quite there, but it definitely made it down here. You also have to consider the possibility that you're not having a whole lot of buying interest come back in yet either. Sandelka! Let's go PSG. Uchiha, how we doing? Uchiha, you got some CoinWise, didn't you? Oh, the WEEX RV. I said that the lows are not good because there's so many wicks down here that are so close together. So that builds liquidity. Even if we grabbed a lot, we had a huge liquidation last night. It was like 1100 BTC. But still so close together. That is a poor low. Can also be called a weak low, but it is a poor low for TPO market profile. Yeah, but higher time frame, it looks better. You know, that looks kind of clean. That looks kind of nice. And you have an engulfing. Not too bad. So don't get so married to one time frame. Make sure that you check around, especially if you're like looking at divergences and stuff. If we drop, you can go as low as the 71.2 zone. I think lower if it loses this level. But 71.2 is considerable. That's like the previous month value area high, somewhere around there, and a high time frame level. Yeah, let's check out the dashboard again, see if there's anything else that is juicy that we can check out. Shout out Sozo, how you doing, brother? It's been a minute. Don't lie to me. Got that unfilled rotation session, 71.5, 7,600. I had that full rotation marked up on my Coinbase chart. That's his new lick level. You can't make it up. Let's go frozen yogurt. We did, JV. Yep, we actually had a close into it. Let's go, Glenn. Yeah, we nerding out. We nerding out. Levels on levels on levels. You thought you were twerking? We were nerding. That's right. Shout outs to CoinWise. CoinWise.com/dashboard. Get it, free for all. Current RSI bullish divergence on the H4. Okay, okay, okay. Yeah, that H4 candle is looking pretty good. But we still have a little bit of time before that thing closes. Ooh, that daily candle not looking so bad. Remember we talked about these lows? We're getting back inside. Yeah, we marked that out. We discussed it well. Yeah, I don't want that one. I want the box. Yeah, we went like here to there. Oh my gosh, every single time. That's the one thing. Let's get this thing brighter. Oh, I think we could see it now. Yep, that low. I should magnetize it. Yeah, we get this daily close back above. It's gonna look better. Really want to get that close back up here, back in value. But almost completed that full monthly rotation for the previous month. Wait a minute. Oh, for the April to May. Yeah. I think I'm retarded. Let's go. What did you do wrong, Dimitri? I don't know. Oh, it's because you did the zone dot and like your punctuation messed it up. It looked like it was a link or something. Sozo, that's great. I'm really happy to hear it. Shout out to Mrs. Mandalo. Baby Mandalo is still like kind of a baby. You know what it is. I'm holding on for dear life with that. She's 3. And then baby V2 is almost 10 months old. Yeah, good times. A lot of fun. Shout out to JV. You wanted higher levels to hold? Yeah. Structure, I mean, it's daily structure, not the best. Lower time frame, it's looking okay. Let's check out the liquidations and stuff. Yeah, you got some liquidity building up down here. As I was mentioning, with all of these lows being so close to one another, you got a lot of liquidity right below them. Yeah, we're gonna go a little higher time frame. You got more down here, and then $71.5, $71.6. I'm just curious. Yeah, it still looks like there's a little bit more to the downside, and then right above like 78. That's pretty natural. The highs are really no good there. Shout out to CoinWise in the dashboard. Coinwise.com/dashboard. You got these liquidation maps. Ooh wee. You got more to the upside, but look at this big old peak right there. Right below our current lows. Yeah. Sophia, how we doing? Glenn, let's go. Zavi. I don't know, Zavi. I think that we're just going to go with structure. If we get a couple more closes up here, especially if it's like a 4-hour close outside of this consolidation, then it might take a little bit more time. We have options tonight. Speaking of which, or in the morning, depending on where you are in the world. We're kind of like right on top of Gex Flip, and we're sandwiched between two huge peaks. So we're gonna let all these shorters be in profit. I could see it like pushing back up to like retest through the night, just to be like the good old days of J Powell. Fuck your longs, fuck your shorts, right? It does. You can't just leave it open though. You need to like refresh the screen. So it's not like the levels where you should where you need to like download it every day. All that stuff updates. All of these update every 10 minutes on the lick maps and the heat maps, but the levels, the adjustments in the current session, they change every hour, I believe. And so if you like leave it on and just have it running for a while, you should just hit refresh. And if you go off of this window, let's say you have like another tab open, then when you come back to this screen, it might be like paused or something, and you just hit refresh. And it'll bring it right back to current price action. Everything is like updated. Sophia, shout out to Sophia, appreciate it. Kimbe, I don't play, yeah, that's for real. You never understand a good liquidation map. There's not a whole lot to it. Look for the brighter colors, and that holds a possible area for liquidity. There's people's stop losses. They algorithmically calculate where the leverage and stops potentially are, how we can possibly consider, if price were to go there, that it could stop people out or liquidate them. Cage, good afternoon. How we doing, brother? Fredward. That's right. That's right. Exciting. I mean, Liquidity's Got Talent is an amazing way to finish up the day. I think we're going to finish up the week with LGT tomorrow. But yeah, I'm excited. This is a different type of feel, different type of stream than the market open. We're going to be tying it down, and what better way than at the end of the month when we have derivate options first thing in the morning. So finish her off. Finish her off. Yeah, we were talking a little bit about the volume declining on CME. After Tuesday, we had our contract switch yesterday morning. And it's like, dude, compare this volume to this. Like, this is like okay. But come on now. You'd expect to have a lot more buying or selling or all three. Right, Fredward? It is really juice. Yeah, the other juice thing, and I even saw it just kind of filtering through before the stream started. Mrs. Mandalo put it on the TV so Baby M could see the lion. She loves the lion, Houston. Check it out. We got knowledge base pages that we have access to. So you want to connect what these different things are in the chart to what they mean, learn more. Definitions, little video, all that. Check their Discord out. But this is right there on the dashboard, exclamation Coinwise, and coinwise.com/dashboard. Let's go! Look at Fredward. That's juicy. That's juicy, Sophia. Hey. Do you, boo-boo. Pretty cool. I think this song is great. I think we need to change the vibe up. Yeah, JV, you got a point there. Aggregate CVD. Are you on the CoinWise aggregate CVD program now? It's pretty nice. CoinWise has some new indicators we were playing with yesterday. I mean, the lows though. Yeah, and I mean, it's barely a lower low. Barely. Yeah, I wonder if we can get it in line on here. Ooh, I don't know though, dude. Yeah, it's so close. But you want to do that on the 30-minute. I like to do it on volume candles. XO is helpful for that, but you know, this is beautiful. This is beautiful, very helpful for the aggregate CVD. Shout out to CoinWise and the new indicator. We also have access to the new funding rate indicator. Ooh, funding. Funding is juicing. There's something else I'm going to show on stream. We got a lot of shorts in here. I saw those shorts come in last night on the lows, and I was like, what? This dude is gonna fuck all of our shorts. Oh man. This dude is gonna mess us all up. Oh, ew. I don't have my color candles on, do I? Come on now. Did I erase it? No. Whatever. On this, on the breakout, right through here. Come on, catch up trading view. It's these two candles. Those shorts, it was like 200 million in shorts came in. Yeah, it was at like 20 million, 10 million. And they juiced it all the way up almost to like 200 million, and then it like kind of closed out. But it was... It was these two candles right here and right there. I'm like, dude, you're doing this into the lows. Come on, man. And it kind of bounced, but they didn't close. They held that and then shorted even more on the news candle. That was kind of funny, wasn't it? S&P broke out and we just got a big old FU Darth Maul candle. Didn't we? Token tickler. Oh shit. I'm too like ADD. Yeah, okay, so I'm talking about these shorts right here. Over on this side. You can't see my like thumb because I'm interacting in a different way. But it's like 200 million in shorts came in over on the left panel in the longs and shorts. This thing right here. And that corresponded with like, because it was messing up anyway with like that. Like, dude, come on, man. And then they didn't close, and then this one was the Darth Maul candle, and even more shorts came in. They sold into it when S&P was breaking out. Kachoya. But hey, those shorts, that can be fuel now. That's a lot of bottom shorts the higher we go. Man. TradingView's acting kind of funny for me. All-time highs again for our ES and S&P. Yeah, it could be. It's getting that way. It's a good signal if you want it to juice. It is fuel. It's gas, Sophia. It's petrol. You already heard me saying it, JV. Let's go. Hello there, Cubitus. Welcome. How we doing? Just enough for a bull trap, I know, man. Like, really, I can see it bouncing. If we like get some traction and start to, you know, kind of eat up some of those shorts, it could be just enough for like a bearish retest. And we're already coming up into some of that. Yeah, just to show it like one last time, really fast. You see right through here. So this area, that area had some pretty bad highs, and there's some liquidity right above it. We're starting to chip into that. A lot of people's stop losses right above that level. Grab some of it. A substantial amount, actually. It was 90 million. Ooh. Wait, what? No, it was 168 million and 90 million at that level, and then 85, and now it's like 0, 120, and 85. So I can't do math like that. Come on now. That's 250, like 330, and now we're at like 200, a little over 200 million. It got a lot of what was there for fuel. There's still more, and there's more here. There's more all the way up at 75. I would be surprised if we could make it that far. I think that we're gonna catch some resistance, and this is just an opinion. I'm just some dude. I've done a lot of this nerding out with everybody, and so, you know, I've looked at a chart a time or two before, but to me, my interpretation is that we need volume to come in. They're not going to just like be able to walk it up and just not stop. We're probably going to need some help from S&P. And we need real spot volume to come in. S&P is at all-time highs. If it expands, I mean, if it continues to expand, you know, that's helpful for risk on. Is this just low liquidity play after the monthly options closed? We got quarterlies coming up in 3 weeks. You got plenty of time to mess around. 75.9 could be a nice short entry. If you said that to yourself back in January, you would freaking kick yourself in the nuts, wouldn't you, Fredward? Whoops. Back in January. Oh yeah, 75.9 is gonna be a great short. We're sitting up here at like 90K. That'd be a great short. We've seen some shit. That's right, Fredward. Let's go. I mean, that doesn't like really fly above too many people's heads though. Like you'd be like, you slap somebody. We're trading at 90K. Yeah, we could get a great short down there at 90 or all the way at 90, 75 or whatever the fuck I was talking about. It's been quite a ride this year. That's for sure, Inky. Hey, shout outs for Edward. Let's go, Shaggy. Wrong person. Yeah, for real, dude. Like it's very little filter. I'll keep it real with y'all though. I ain't gonna bullshit you. What happened there? What happened up at this level? Is that what you mean, Sedence? Sad dance. I know, dude. It was like, oh man, fuck that. I'm not buying it. It's way overbought when it gets to like 74. Why did it dip from this level? Well, I mean, institutions lost interest. Kind of like, long story short. But when it broke structure from the all-time highs, and this was very, it wasn't a, don't get me wrong, like the price was bullish as hell, but the final move was not altogether that bullish. But coming off of that, this one candle in October, it just fucking destroyed so much positions that it was very difficult. It's something that takes time to recover from, and a lot of people kind of shifted their bias significantly afterwards. Plus it broke structure off of those highs, off of synthetic or not genuine strong buying interest. Like look at this buying coming into the all-time highs. The very last two candles are like way lower. These ones. Compare that, and that's these candles right here. I'll put a marker on it. Around there was related to the highs. That's not even comparable to like, you know, these candles right here, and that was a genuine breakout. Or these ones, like that's juice right there. That, like if it's going to continue higher, you want strength like that. That's a lot of buying interest, and this is Coinbase. This is spot buying. This is just some perps that fucking, we're just lick hunting. Wait a second. It was those ones. Yeah, those three. I mean, it did increase. If you went into 4 hours, though, at the high, a lot of the delta up here was not buying. So there's that part of the equation. But once it broke structure after that liquidation event that happened in October, it just continued to make lower highs and lower lows. It kept getting sold into. I'm going to show you one other piece of information that I had planned on sharing today anyways, but it supports this thesis. Hindsight is 2020, 2010. And I'm not talking about the year. I'm talking about our vision is very clear. Once we broke that structure and it started to test lower levels to see if there was any buying interest, it did hold. However, it came back and almost perfectly let out positions from an area that they thought was the bottom. We planned this level out live. 98K. Lions, who were here for this? Happy, let's go, Happy. Happy Thursday. Yeah, we were here. Let's go, Gaboo. Let's go, Fretward. Yeah, a lot of Lions took it. They didn't need me to point it out to them. And it was a good move. It was a good move. It had some volume pushing into it, but it let a lot of these people out. Like, really, they thought it was the bottom. This cleaned up some lows from way earlier in the summer, right there. But it just, they didn't have enough follow through. So the failure here, falling back into the range, you have a higher probability of rotation to the opposite side of the range. Bad lows and lots of liquidity below liquidity. And then add that to the news, and it helped to speed up or accelerate the push lower. And then we've just been recovering ever since. So that's the past 6-8 months in a nutshell. Now we're trying to break from this range. We tried again way before all of this. We made a very close comparison between the fractal of this and the potential fractal that could be forming here. Damn right, maybe. Yeah, maybe Band-Aid took profit at like, off of his like 116 short, he's taking profit at like 62K. Lots of planning, lots of scenarios we flowed out. If you think that I'm all over the place, or like, you know what, it could go here, it could go here, as long as you say enough things, it's gonna happen. You look smart. If you feel that way, then you're not paying enough attention, or you need to nerd out a little bit more. Not only are we saying these things, we're saying what we're looking for it to do these things. This is how we frame up a trade. Every single trade is not the trade. Sometimes the trade that we take ends up being the trade, but you never know until it plays out. Let's go, Fredward. Let's go, Mark. Shout out to Mark. Yeah, happily. Sad dance. Yeah, I mean, you can look at the 2022 comparison as well. Do I seem more awake this afternoon? Looking shorts for your long? Yeah, there are some juicy shorts there. Maybe Band-Aid's got it in the bag. He's got it packed up. He took the long off the bottom too. He probably shorted that 82 bearish retest also, which we were mapping out. This little thing. Probably up to here. And what did I say? What did I say up here? Until we get to 85, 86, there's always the possibility of falling back inside the zone. 82, 620, that's like pixel perfect fucking top. Let's go, maybe. And still at that 85, 86, we would have been like head on a swivel for a failed auction. We are, yeah, shout outs Mark. I'm not looking for like you know, congratulations or anything. We got to turn these ideas into profits, right? But I want people to, you know, hopefully be able to learn a little bit if they're not seeing these things also, and then they can juice up too. Like, fuck yeah, I want them to take the, and maybe did not learn from me. He's a freaking all on his own, hard ass worker and experienced successful trader, among other things. But I want everybody to be able to do that. That's juice. That's juice, yeah. Shout outs to PSG. Fuck yeah. Well, the whole 72 thesis is the value area. So this chart is very busy. There's lots of other levels that we've marked for like kind of lower time frames. It doesn't equate all that well for high time frame charting. I hope this one's kind of clean. I'm gonna save that real fast. This one is pretty clean. I don't know if I have the oh, I do have dynamic. This is the dynamic fixed range profile. Shout outs CoinWise. Hey, Cage, Bite. So this is a CoinWise tool that was just released last week. It's based off of a lot of principles that we have been using for the past, like forever. But with CoinWise, many of the tools that we've been using for the past 8-9 months now. Let's go, Cage. What I'm talking about is this value area. So this is volume value area is the orange line, and gray is the time value area for the entire range off of the 60K bottom. Okay, when you're within value, that's kind of like considered to be fair value. You may rotate several times. These lines are going to adjust as price moves. But wherever it is currently, when it leaves value, you look for a retest. And if it breaks structure, then you're looking for continuation. If that fails and you accept back within value, which we did yesterday, and we're continuing further, you're looking for a rotation potentially to the mid or the points of control of that range, and often to the other extreme. So that's why we're hoping that 72K holds. That month low is not like a line in the sand. It just happened today, and that's where it's marked now. But for other types of levels, other volume levels, if I were to draw this range based on the pre-breakout, I mean, I kind of like it before that. That's 72K pretty much almost right there. 71.7, value area high. You know, you can, based on where you pin it, based on the tick size, the profile that you use, you know, it moves up a little bit. And you see, like, the further I pull it, the higher it goes, because it's including this in the volume. Yeah, potentially, J. Russ. Potentially. Maybe just like the mid 74s. It could just be like that low bearish retest. But I think anywhere in this wick. And maybe a little higher than that. That's decision zone. Now we can pull it from, so I stopped it here. That was after the breakout. We want to get back inside that 75. Then we're looking for the opposite and a rotation to the other side of the range. And 79 has a nice ring to it. It balances out this side, for one. It also cleans up a lot of this liquidity that's right here in the 78 zone. And that's something that we looked at in the lick maps and the heat map. Am I a fan of fair price at 75.5? I mean, fair price right now is 73.5. So that's prior fair price. I think that it could get there. You mean like for being the value? It was value. In high time frame, it is value. I'm a fan of lower, but I'm just going to trade how it presents itself to me. High time frame planning, low time frame execution. Shout out to CoinWise. Exclamation CoinWise. You can learn all about that. 76 is support. Yeah, that would be a good level to have support. For really higher, you need to turn 78 into support to me. Yeah, and we can hide the dynamic fixed range profile if you were trying to figure out what I was using here. This is what it's called. It's CoinWise, exclamation CoinWise. And you can draw this profile anywhere, the same way as you would do a fixed range volume profile in TradingView or any other like TradingView plugin. But the difference is this also displays time and a bunch of other juice. So it's really unique. Shout out to CoinWise, I love it. Yeah, I'm excited about the funding rate, the CBD, all that. But this thing, for mapping levels, really juicy. Okay, I'm gonna hide it. $75 helps. 75.5. So that's like, I think here. Above that. Running into this little zone is gonna give you some resistance. You know, it's your first strong buy after this sell-off. It's kind of why we sold off here, part of that. This pump up let these dudes who thought they got the bottom out. You know, you go underwater and you're like, fuck, dude, if I can just get out at break even, then I'll just never do this again. You know, I long this. Oh shit, I'm underwater. You're not like adding to it when it's pumping. You're like, shit, dude. Like, you're either round tripping or you close. Either way, your stop loss or your closing is fuel to the downside at selling. Right, I'll never do this again. This is the worst feeling in the world. What's worse is if you're like holding it and like hoping it bounce and then it just keeps going. A lot of people have experienced that. If you haven't, then you haven't traded long enough. And I'm not saying that I'm expecting you to do that to earn your way, but like, dude, it happens to everybody when you're learning. And even afterwards, sometimes, like shout out Sato. Shout outs to Who Juicin', by the way. Exclamation Who Juicin'. Let's go, Housty. Shout out to Cage. Shout out to Housty. Ready to see you guys on again. Yeah, maybe next Thursday we can do a team stream. No, I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about who juicing, not you like round tripping shit. It is a terrible feeling. Terrible. Yeah, they juicing. Let's go nitrogen. Yeah, let's go Houston. Yeah, a lot of us have... Oh, shout outs to Lone Wolf. Shout outs to Trembler over on YouTube. I apologize. I got so like locked into talking and preaching on my soapbox over here that I'm just like completely ignoring. Much love, Atherna. How we doing? Yeah. Old member, you're on Twitch too? Lone Wolf, are you you part of the Kimba gang in Twitch? What's your same username? Trembler juicing. You got diabetes from all the juice? Dude. You caught me in one of those moods, I guess. I don't know. Dude, we just freaking nerded out and vibed out for an hour and didn't even fucking look at like the normal charts. What? We were using the hell out of CoinWise tools though. Shout out to CoinWise, exclamation CoinWise. They are juice. Hey, we got the... Jeez, it sure wants to, doesn't it? And S&P just doesn't want to let go. Maybe we'll just hit them with some Boo Gammas. Exclamation Boo Gamma. Hey, shout out to the Wise Lions. Some big things came on that news. Look at that. Ooh-wee, 75.60 on index. A big old Kimba Dilda. This is on index. I'm showing ES, so mini futures. I'll go over to index in a minute. Yeah. 75.60 is by far the largest. And monthly closes tomorrow for TRADFI. They're so big. Yeah, they really came in hot today. Yeah, JP. My boy JP over there hit it hard. I don't know who it was. It was somebody. Some institutions came in with some juice. And shorts beginning to taper off. This is exclamation XO. So if exclamation Boo Gamma is not working for you, Lion Cub or Lion King, YouTube members, that service is expensive. So supporting it, getting the licensing or whatever, the permission to be able to stream it, it has to be subsidized by the viewers somehow. That shit is expensive though, just to even have that service. So don't be sad about it. Like the basic membership, it really, it just is a drop in the bucket for the juice you might be able to get from it. And then every time that we're on stream, I'm happy to show it. Yeah, that's about it. Elite Dorangate, let's go. Let's go, Tonley Island. Next 1 to 2 months, Lone Wolf. Oh. First. So what I was gonna add to the whole two letters, one word. This just came up organically. I just love this song. Y'all know. Y'all already know. This is something that we like. I'm not aware of it in TradingView, but I like it a lot. Is the Coinbase Premium. When institutions, big players are selling more than they're buying, the premium is in the red. When they're buying more than they're selling, the premium is in the green. We are currently in the red. We can go into higher time frame and see what I mean. And I'm hopefully not gonna fuck up my whole like template by doing this. Look at those liquidations. Ooh-wee. Alright. Funding rate, I don't care. Not on here because I like the CoinWise one. Is that doubled up? This is just so we can see it all. Not really super worried about that. Look at that. In the 4-hour chart. Okay, so can you kind of see what I mean? Over here in the green, I wish this thing wouldn't pop up, but over on the left, the Coinbase Premium in the green, the whole move is going up. People are buying. It flips near the highs, and now look at it. Coinbase Premium is in the red. It's not a rocket science thing. It's not like connect it. You can be like, okay, well, that's another piece of confluence. You feel me? This is 4-hour charts. That's at 82,000. It's like kind of like the decision point that the premium became rather neutral. And then as we came off of here, it became more aggressively negative. And it's kind of curling back up. We'll just have to wait and see the next few days through the opening of the month to see. Yeah, it's bearish. It's bearish secret. Very much so, Mark. Simple is good. I mean, dude, if you just went on simple market structure, no cap. Simple market structure is something that's underappreciated. We're like, well, is it on the liquidation map? What's the long? Oh, there's a bottom short there. They're all pieces of the puzzle. Let's go, Curvies. Samuel. Gaboo. Hey, Loonwolf. Hey, shout outs to you. Loonwolf says CoinWise is lit. Agreed. Agreed. That's for show, for show, for show. All about the D. $80-20 value rotation. I love that one. Yeah. Yeah, the 80% setup. Amazing. Shout outs to Cage. Cage is OG PSG and Stream Team veteran. Yeah, he's one of the first in the Kimba gang. Shout outs to Cage. Shout outs to the entire team though, over at KTV, and all the original viewers and veterans. Shout outs to all of you, actually. Everybody that's working harder every single day and trying to make this work for yourselves, improve yourselves, improve your discipline, improve your logic. We make a lot of friends here too. The community is amazing. Exclamation Discord. Yeah, the PSG that I keep talking about, if you're not familiar with it, it's within our free Discord. Exclamation Discord. Come check them out. They're always working hard, nerding out, and improving. Planning setups. That's right. Shout out to Housty. Shout out to Calling Noob. JV, let's go. Yeah, this community is amazing. Dude, I started as a viewer myself, and just, you know, just became completely immersed in the community. Love it. Love it. Love nerding out. Love sharing my thoughts. From day one to now in Kimba Gang, it's like 4 years. I went from not really that much edge to, I mean, what you see in front of you, a little bit of edge. No, I was kind of confused. Like, I was not great with TA. I didn't understand a lot of it, and I just fucking, I'm obsessive. I'm obsessive, and if you want to succeed, you should obsess too about whatever it is that you are dreaming of succeeding. Let's go, Hey Blade. Let's go, Shaggy Bro. I'm not saying that I'm succeeding. I just say that it helps to fuel my improvement. Shout outs to Lone Wolf. I am a little edgy, kinky. Let's go. Yeah, JB. Hope you're doing well. Hey, Blade. Bless you, brother. Hope all is well for you. Thanks for coming this afternoon. Thanks to all the Lions that came here. We lost some viewers because they were like, Mandalo, he's like, just tell us long or short. Fredward, what do we tell them if they ask us long or short? We need to make that a GIF command. Let's go, PSG. Hitman Gucci, let's go. We're in all three, yeah! One signal. I know. Mario came back, yeah. He didn't. We were talking about that 2 weeks ago, I think, maybe. So funny. Hey, Husty, shoutouts to the original Kimba song, the original Kimba anthem. Shoutouts to all the top longers and bottom shorters. I want to hear that song again. You remember his motion cap? He used to like frickin' have the Make It Rain gun and fucking the Stunna shades. The shorters. Long holidays, short work. Dude, that's the dream, Inky. Let's go, fellas. Am I Wong? Curvies, of course not. The signal stream is exclamation Discord Kimba's Den. And the Kimba live trading. Secret, modestly bearish. Leaning more, yeah. But the I think I addressed that when you were typing about that. It was with regard to the Coinbase premium. Lone Wolf, on the daily time frame, I'm really like, I'm hesitant to emphatically say that I have a bias because this is a zone that needs to hold. And it's coming into like a 4-day stretch of kind of garbage time as we come into the monthly close. By garbage time, I mean like a lot of the big players already have their beds made and they're going to wait for the monthly open. So we could have, you know, moves to the upside or the downside that retrace pretty quickly when they show back up. Beyond that, I mean, as long as S&P is still continuing to make all-time highs, it's not that bearish for crypto. If S&P retraces, so it's a lot of if-thens, I know. I'm saying that I'm not buying spot here. So more on the slightly on the bearish end of the spectrum, which I'm always on the spectrum. Let's go, Ghosted. Hey Blade, let's go. Not super serial. Yeah, he got many times though. Shout outs to Coin Nerd. It's homework, yeah. Yeah, level up and grind, man. Dude, I'm the type, if I don't understand something, I gotta know. And I will frickin', I'll put in any work that is necessary to be able to do it. If I can't do something that I want to do, I'm going to do it. I'm very resolved. Yeah, plus I think that's bullish. I think more so for the SpaceX, whenever that's going to be. I think it's supposed to be next month. That's bullish also. We got to see about this whole, like, okay, so the second part of that answer, Loon Wolf, is S&P needs to keep juicing. I don't, dude. Wait, when is Scorpio born? I do. Oh shit, dude. I need to. So I flexed the chain before. I actually have this old chain. My fucking desk is a disaster. Here we go. Here we go. I'm not a Scorpio, by the way. I just thought it was cool back like in the olden days. It's real gold. Let's go. Hold on, I'm gonna get like the top collar. How about that? Oh, flexing on y'all. I look like a fucking idiot. I just lost all the followers. I'm not a Scorpio though, I'm a fucking dork. Let's go. Houston, I still haven't showed you that thing I was talking about before. You're gonna love it. That's right. Let's go chicken milkshake. Oh, your birthday's in 3 days. Happy birthday, dude. On a Sunday? That's juice. Happy birthday, dude. Is it a big one or is it just like a normal year? You don't have to say. He's about to turn 30. Lame Wolf's like, I know. Dude, I turned 29 like fucking so many times. A lot of the lines are like, 29, you fucking old fuck. And it's like young to me. One year off. I see you. See, the big ones, they're a little harder to swallow. Quinceañera, let's go. He's 14. Yeah, Curvies. Shout out to Curvies. What you mean you're in I'm in all three, bro. I know. Don't be mad at me. Dude, we planned for this level, though. We said 74 doesn't hold. We gotta hold 72. Kim was like, please. Yeah, you see that? That's probably an old level and I just never changed it, but that is an important level. And then we had mapped out that unfill rotation. This song's juice too. Am I being so scatterbrained that I am not fully finishing thoughts. Yeah, look at that 76.50. Sada's lick is right here. God help him. Look at those lows on the 4 hour. And we identified that on the lick map. But hey, that was at 72.2 that we were talking about, that point of control, and we actually have marked it. Didn't we? Boom. Uh-oh. We want this close back above in the next 44 minutes. Y'all, I'm going to be here until market close. I got to go back to work. That's why I'm wearing a collared shirt. Like a freaking suit. You just said. Oh, he's bringing his leg down. 72.010. That's not that bad. He should. Dude, it's just going to be that much worse. How many of you added to a losing position? Just cut the motherfucker. But it's not good TV for Who Juice, and he's in partnership with Who Juice, and it's just like behind the scenes, you know, like in WWE where like everybody hates each other, but behind the scenes they're like all like laughing on their yacht. I know, Fredward. I can't imagine 50% like drawdown. God, that's painful. You got in a soul today? That was a nice sweep, JV. Let's look at it. It cleaned. We planned for it. ETH was nice too. The low isn't great, but I guess it's a cleaner candle for ants. Yeah, and it held this. You know, this is kind of like aligned with that 70K that we said, the 1900s, you better hold it. But we clean that 70K, start moving down there. That's coming. I'm not saying that is coming, but if then. ETH BTC, it juiced today. Solana, bad low. But the clean is nice. The clean is nice. It's back inside. We marked this 81.2 yesterday, even though we've been talking about it forever. It said we need to get, if it comes down here, it's going to clean that. Get back inside, things will look a lot better. I could even see it pulling back to this. Unfortunately, hopefully anybody that took like futures positions took a little bit of profit in this like 82, 83 zone. Shaved a little bit. Yeah, that was pure juice off of that little thang. Running into resistance of all that. Yeah, hold on, let's get daily and derp it. I think we had a derp on here before, and I hit it. That's not a bad looking daily candle now. Not bad. Wait, before I derp it. Okay, here's her Sol BTC chart. Looking better, looking better. Rejecting outside of value, coming back inside. I will take it. High time frame. Let's see where that high is. What do we really want to get back inside of? 80. I mean, that's pretty much what we were talking about. I could have them tell me what the price is, but I didn't. 83.6. A little higher. Except back in this, you're just kind of like you're back in range. Yeah, it's running into these guys though. But still, like off of this low, if it pulls back, you're kind of accepting that. But you know, you get that like last little retest. Doesn't matter what the fib is. It's probably the 05. It might be the golden pocket. Yeah, it's between the 05 and the golden pocket. Yeah, retest. It might only make it to the 05. Rate cuts. Let's go, Samuel. A lot of bad highs on Sol. A lot of bad highs everywhere. I agree, though. Hype. I mean, y'all, Bitcoin's getting hit as hard as it is, and hype is still like trying to hold beyond its all-time highs. It did close back inside yesterday, which is not the best thing. That's where you got some of that wick, but yeah, we had marked that. You want to close above the point of control. Really want that. Yeah, and that's like the day before yesterday or something, so it pulled it down. I want that. Oh no. Was that two of them? Yeah, I want to get back up there for hype, but a close above 59.50 for the day, better. Yeah, Bitcoin is looking weak and hype is looking not bad. Shoutouts to the hype enjoyers. Binance Coin. It cleaned at least. Kronos. Did we talk about this low? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I don't like this still. Sui. Quit playing with me. I don't like all this down here on Sui. Yeah, and that was just too much. How come I have ADA all the way up here? Oh, it's because it's the only chart that I have open beyond Sui. Wheat. Let's look at gold and stuff. I'm gonna go back over to the TRADFI chart. To the balcony, Houston. Actually, I'm gonna go to the balcony too. I'm gonna be taking a piss, but y'all Lituche up. Look at that, going for that high. S&P, I mean, you had the strength, you had a single print. Even though it wasn't really a single print, it was imbalanced. It was a single print in ETH. I don't have single prints marked on here, but that was a single print. It's momentum. It was a big one too. And we're closing above previous all-time highs. We're gonna get another close up here. Is it gonna sell off into the monthly? I mean, that news, it's so bullish. Could just be a next week type of thing. Watch them pull out of the deal and then it just fucking pulls back again, and then they pump it again as soon as they fix it again. Long BTC, yes. Short BTC, and then spot alts. All swing trades, pretty much. Yeah, I've got a whole fucking shit show of things that I'm trying to keep spending right now. And spot is I'm fully aware of my own emotions, and unless I'm like sitting in front of the screen, it's just going to be either scalps that I'm setting my TPs and not thinking about it. I'm not like just sitting here like glued to the screen and fucking like trying to make sure. But if I'm there and it's hitting my level, I'm taking it. Yeah, this was a nice one. ETH, it's bouncing a little bit. The options that are closing tonight, we talked about it yesterday. I think it has more open interest than Bitcoin does, if my memory serves me correctly. It was looking like that the other day. I was about to go to the balcony, dude. Why you get me all nerding out mode? See that? Yeah, we don't have to look at all this other stuff because the dashboard has some of our, GEX things and all that. Open interest. It's got the boo gammas, but this is interesting. Mm-hmm. Let's go, net runners. Let's go, fellas. Lone Wolf, you just trading Bitcoin? You in some alts as well? I think we get a cleanup here. And the boo gammas were looking higher. That's what I was going to do. It was like 75, 60, and 75, like 80 or something. $75.60 was the biggest, though. So turning that 75.60 into support. There's your 75.60. Oh boy. And make sure that that thing closes above. Power hour, y'all. First Mandalo power hour aside from FOMC and Mandalo nerdouts in the beginning. Focacino's near is Gucci. Didn't we talk about that yesterday, though? That we were like, well, we wanted to look at the pullback and retest potentially. Dude, are they falling back inside? Jeez. Okay, I'm gonna do this because I know I'll forget about Near. There was one other that we looked at, and it's not one that we usually do. And don't say XRP because I didn't even chart it. I did USD. Retest.
Fib rotation deep chart moving godly. Pixel as fiber caught 618 calmly. Kimber gang juiced up, man, you can't stop me. I got feel that the Bugatti.
Closing about this point of control looking a lot better. This is going to be resistance up in the 250 though. That was yesterday, right? Came up and grabbed that naked point of control. How about that? Pretty juicy. It was looking nice. But yeah, I just can't. Pretty clean. Pretty clean. The second level was down here, holding $2 in high time frame. Diamonds cost me fortunes, gains in corridors, you hyenas can't afford it. I dropped that mortgage. Yeah, we said that was like somewhere that we wanted to make sure that it holds. Your day close like you? Okay, Johnny Kinslow, let's go! All season, yeah. Yeah. I think alt season is gonna rock if we can. If S&P goes to 8K and Bitcoin reclaims 85 and starts moving back up, we'll get some pauses that alts are gonna just like pop. Hype is its own animal. Check Dixie. Okay, it's gonna just be related to the news. Very dependent on that. All right, to the balcony for real. I need to piss real fast. All right, give me like 2 seconds. Paper stack thick, pockets bigger than tumors. Millionaire Kimber, no rumor. Living lavish, real life, no tuna. Pull up a seat, bon appetit, no Louboutins, just red sleeves for the feast. God filled at the Bugatti. Fib rotation deep, chart moving godly. Pixel as fiber caught 618 calmly. Kimber gang juiced up, man, you can't stop me. I got filled at the Bugatti. Yeah. I got filled at the Bugatti. I got filled at the Bugatti. Yeah. I got filled at the Bugatti. Photos of dope trays, fingerprints in my lane. Why they hating when I push fills on the lane? It's detonation walk, road to riches bare feet. I watch mama hustle, now she living carefree. That's why I grind. Shout outs to the Euro Lions and Asia Lions. Putting it in the evening. Let's go Inky. Let's go Buzz. Calling Noob. Johnny Kingslow, I think you're in UK, aren't you? Let's go, Johnny. Focacino, Euro, I know. Let's go. Fellas, where are you? How about you, Lynn Wolf? It's shitcoin season. Everybody loves to hear that. Who got filled at the Bugatti? Little cleaner into the close, taking profits back to that big Bugama. Whew. Slovenia. Okay, nice. Shout out Slovenia. Okay. Lone Wolf wants to see Dixie, I think. The one thing about market close is my office is hot when I close my door. And it's getting to be summertime. Yeah, Dixie juiced when everything pulled back, but off of the pump. Off of the pump, the breakout this morning. I mean, look at that candle. This is an index, by the way. So it's a compilation of a lot of things. Nerd out. But it's a helpful temperature gauge, I guess. That gap is good. Gap fill and go. It's not like that. I'm sure they have derivatives of this, but this is 4x. In any case, Dixie, news dependent, very news dependent. It's not always inverse to S&P. NQ 30K, let's go. All-time highs. Yep, got that close on Tuesday. And not even retesting it. Couldn't even retest it. That looks bearish. Nope. Jeez, look at this S&P. All right, let's look at some, like I really don't even need to open any stonks. Gold. Did we? Oh my. Oh, it held it. That was nice though. Where did it go today? 43.66. Holy shit. That's pretty damn close. Oh, that low's not great. Yeah, we said 4,400. We want to see it a little bit lower. Yeah, we said this 43.50. We wanted to clean. But man, failed auction below that 4,400 big level. And then juice. That's a good move for gold today. Highs aren't great, but we're back in the range. In this. Oil. We talked about that low. We're looking for that. So we need to get back inside up here. That was not too bad yesterday. It's not looking great. It's not looking good, Brev. Especially with the news. Oil shorts. It still looks heavier than it does look bullish. If we like buy this up before the close, it's gonna look better. Yeah, it held. Let's go Hitman Gucci. Absolutely, Lone Wolf. Anytime. Most of the time I'll check like tickers and stuff. I don't want this to be like a ticker stream. But unless I'm like signing out and you like put up here like chart your fart coin fucking 6-month outlook, then I'll probably chart it for y'all. You know what it is. You know what it is. Silver looking better actually. Held too. Nice. Shout out to BTCC, exclamation BTCC, if you want to be trading these with USDT. I think there's a depot bonus still going on and fee rebates on S&P trades. That's what you see the KIMBA'S trading on. I think that's not happening the rest of the week. But no, Tuesday. Maybe Monday afternoon. I think that's what Houston said.
chat, man, you know we all win. Pride stay strong, we move insane. Levels get hit, now we back on the brain.
How about that market open with Mandalo? It's basically market close, like kind of winding down the monthly right now, and then market open with Mandalo on Monday, June 1st. It's juicy. KIMBA'S trading back on Tuesday. Exclamation dashboard, and you get access to the Gucciest fee negotiations on all of the partner exchanges through here, and access to a lot of the tools and resources. Just check out the stream schedule at the very least, and there's a Joseph premiere tomorrow and LGT. Let's go. It's just rolling from one to the next. That's fire tomorrow. I'm looking forward to that. I might be at IRL work, but I'm going to be listening. Let's go, boys. Let's go, Lions. I'm saying boys to the stream team for that. Alpeasy, Biffum, Rajalicious, Calling Noob. Let's go. Yeah, probably want to get back inside that on the daily, on at least inside there on CME. I'm adjusted. I mean, not personally, I'm not very well adjusted, but the charts are adjusted. Oh my goodness. You see that line that I just drew? Oh, we're back, we're back. You don't got much time. Uh-oh, hot dog. Shout out to the late night Lions. They were catching that move. That's right, chicken milkshake. I think it might be. Closing inside the gap at least, that's right. That's a good thing. That's a good thing. Tomorrow should be exciting. Probably another reduced volume day. I mean, for RTH, like look at this RTH, look at this RTH volume. That's juice. And then it's like, fuck it, we don't even care. We'll just see what happens next week. It was a shorter week for TRADFI, but still on CME it was contract switch. So it was juicier coming back on Tuesday. Yeah. And S&P, there's your cleaner. I mean, it's too easy. It's too easy. It's too easy. It's got to be testnet. Bugatti, Bugatti, Bugatti. Juice, 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 juice. Clip that one. I'm like whispering. Nice, nice, nice. We might get some fireworks the last 10-15 minutes. If something like crazy happens, I'll stay a few extra minutes, but I'm gonna have to take off out of here. I gotta go back to IRL work, unfortunately. It depends if it's closing down there, G-Gesture. If we get closes down there, it's going to look a lot worse. Coming into the monthly, we got some eyes on that higher time frame closing structure, like the weekly and the monthly, which are, you got daily, weekly, monthly, all nice and neatly packaged for us on Sunday. So yeah, just go on this like no. This one. Oh, what the fuck? That's not the right one. Close your eyes, earmuffs. Dude, I'm always nerding out on all different shit. I love CoinWise. I use the shit out of them, but I always got to be seeing what else is out there. You're like, yo, CoinWise, y'all need to make up like something like this. Or find a way to like have this idea and make it way better. They're like, shut the fuck up, Mandalo. Just dance, monkey. Dance, clown. Just show our shit and like, you know, don't. Fred, where that's for you. That's right, Houston. So I was doing higher time frame. This is a weekly chart, huh? Yeah. So that was like the biggest part of the range. Yeah, kind of like that. Get the fuck out of here. That was the biggest part of the range. You could like say, well, just do closes for our weekly. All right. That looks a little better for us, doesn't it? That looks a little worse. You're kind of going with that. You got these closes, and then that being like the retest. Subjective. I like it better like here. But we can do the close. We'll just do that. That'll make us all feel better about our longs. Until we close inside of here, then I'll be like, well, we actually should have had it up there. You know, we can always move our levels and then we'll look smart on Twitter. Let's go, Maestro. Let's go, Maestro. It's too easy. So that, it could have looked a lot worse. Oh. Kagam, no, it's tomorrow. The listening party is post-stream in about 10 minutes. Just normal charts and PSG action. Shout outs to PSG. Exclamation Discord, come on in. Hey, Lone Wolf, have a great day. Thanks for joining, brother. I hope you can make it again soon. Yeah, we're here in the mornings too. But yeah, Thursday next week also. If that's the only time you can make, hope to see you here. Who's digging the market close stream? Let's go, maybe Band-Aid. Yeah, maybe's like, yeah, I fucking shorted this. 82,665 or something. Whew. I mean, I've seen worse candles like that. And that's all-time high. You can't really like say that. But it's not a great looking candle. It's not the best looking. But still, you look at the levels. You look at the levels, we close above that, then it's gonna be better. Close above this 71.7, it's better. Yeah, is it tomorrow that it kicks in, the 29th? Is tomorrow the 29th? I'm looking forward to that. Dude, it's gonna trade like, it's for sure, isn't it, Maestro? Yeah, so it's like a 2-minute pause, and then Saturday night, in the middle of the night, they're gonna have a 2-hour pause or something like that. So resumption from Bitcoin CME is gonna have a little less oomph behind it. Maybe, had you not heard about this? Oh, and shout out to Tigran. I knew it was coming, but Tigran was like, hey, it's happening next week, dude. Dude, get caught up. We got 4 years of this. We got 4 years of this, and YouTube highlights. We just get caught up in the highlights. I'm not going to answer your question. Get caught up in the highlights. I'm just kidding. I love you, Kimba. Thank you for everything. Thank you for the opportunity to be just being me up here. Yeah, I see you, dude. Cruise control. Yep, set the levels and let it trigger. Yeah, it's pretty cool, man. Like, it's an interesting idea. It's gonna change things up for us with the correlation that we look at. Yeah, anyways, like, we're done with that. How about the quarterly? How's this quarter looking? It's like fucking a month away. Oh man, filled that FEG. It's over. Dude, don't clip that. Get this lettuce in rotation. All right, let's go back to the charts. We're gonna finish it up. I got a few minutes left. Yeah, it's gonna be really cool though. Oh shit. It's gonna be cool. Macaulay hour is gonna be like way less impactful. It's gonna be Macaulay 2 minutes. 73.5 had a very bearish edge, yeah. Yep. The shorts too, man. Yeah, he had a little bit of open interest closing, but actually kind of the longs coming through here, even on the buying. Interesting. Or even on the retracement. Jeez. Oh, I'm on the fucking near chart. Yeah, on this. Longs TPing up here. Some shorts got stopped out. Single print resistance. Yeah, that's it. I mean, but it's on a Saturday night, man. It's like, I think that it may be kind of more interesting because it's the only opportunity that CME is not running, pretty much. And you know how market makers play on the weekends. Yeah, we tucked back in this unfilled rotation. You know, we're outside of it right now. We're kind of close this 4 hour back inside the consolidation. But we closed the daily back down in the 73 or lower zone. I think we still are not done yet. for the high time frame, so I was like waffling all over the place. I know, dude. You can't even go to the balcony, Inky. New patterns. Yeah, it's gonna. I'm interested. We're gonna have to pay close attention to it. I think that that's it's cool to be able to you know, adapt. Maybe there's some edge to be had there. That's exciting. Cage said that he wanted to stream it. I'm just kidding. He was like, fuck no, I don't want to stream that. It's like 2 a.m. East Coast time. I'll be sleeping, but I'm gonna watch it the second I get up, a couple hours later. It is Maestro, but then it makes Bitcoin more beholden to TRADFI. Maestro's gonna be in yeah, because you're gonna be up though. That's like during the day. That's awesome, Maestro. Yeah, shout outs to PSG exclamation Discord. Yeah, dude, the Macaulay candle, the 2-minute candle. That'll be funny. Let's go, Maestro. I wish I could spend more time in PSG. I miss y'all. Love y'all. At least I get to vibe out with you and hear a bunch. Twice as much stream time as recent. Yeah, we're doubling up. So I'll be spending a lot more time with y'all, nerding out, talking shit, having some fun. Trembler. Possibly Trembler. You're digging the playlist, huh? I don't know. You float it up in the NFT chat. I think that there's plans for more with the NFT holders. The Wise Lions is juice. You're in there, aren't you? In the Discord. And then you get the Bugama playlist, Bugama cheat sheet. That's helpful. Oh, you can do Discord polls? I don't even know how to do that, dude. I don't know how to use computers. I just know how to like draw some lines on a chart and hope that if I draw enough, then something happens. And then I can clout post. Somehow, like, you guys are still here with me, so I love you. All right, we got 2 minutes and I'm gonna be out of here. That's right, Maestro. Maestro's actually doing it. He's winning music competitions and streaming in PSG and winning and trading in life. Living in motherfucking Thailand. I'm sitting here in like America streaming between work and fucking like peasant status from taxes. Just kidding. Hey, Chicken Milkshake, you have a wonderful day. I had a lot of fun this afternoon. I'm excited about this new time. Oh shit, dude, right into the close. Let's get it over on TRADFI for this last minute. This last 10 seconds. Oh shit! Bugatti! MEXC83, much love, brother. Thank you for the gift subs also. Hey, if you were blessed by a gift sub from MEXC83, make sure that you thank the man. Ooh-wee! Hey, rejected though. Rejected. Let's see where the settlement is. I'm not going to be able to wait until settlement is posted, but it's juicy. Juicy juice. And there's your S&P close. Let's see what the settlement is too. Keep an eye on that. Oh my goodness. Keep an eye on the news and the Twitter. Oh boy. Excited about that new CME times. Let's go, Mark. Let's go, Shaggy. Let's go, MEXC83. Chicken Milkshake, Mark. Inky, Maestro, Gaboo. You know what they say, if you don't use a stop loss, I'm gonna slap the shit out you. I love y'all. Yeah, we have like some casual plans to the downside. We have some ideas about the upside. Maybe if it we get the close back above here, we look for a retest. But just measure your expectations higher. Make sure you are well planned with your stop losses and take profits. I would shave some if you do get a nice little push. Like this was a juicy entry. And trail your stops, or make sure you took some profit. If you didn't yet, then definitely shave some. But don't listen to me. I'm not trying to give financial advice. I'm trying to just give some ideas based on experience. I'm just here to vibe out, nerd out, and juice up. Yeah. Trembler, just are you posting in there? I'm not in there enough. Oh my gosh, I gotta end it on this one. I was about to be out, but you know I love this song. Oh shit, we're gonna go for it again. Let's go ES. I mean, we're so close. You might as well tap 5,600. All right. Not that it means anything. That's the 1.252 the pixel. Almost. 1.618. That has some like... It's kind of poetic. If it were to sweep the 7,600 and just tap the 1.618. But gotta get there. Let's go Hitman Gucci. Yeah. All right, y'all. Love you. Gotta get out of here. I should have done a candle prediction, but I didn't. You'll get it on Monday. I'll see you Lions on Monday, bright and early. Crypto Craze, let's go. Not super cereal, Gaboo. Let's go Kinky. Let's go Shaggy. Fellas. Huge shout outs to the entire team. Much love. Husty, Buzz, Cage. Ready. Cyper. Chauncey. MGK. Tiggy. Coin Nerd. Huge shout outs to Kimba. Make sure you check out the dashboard. All the exchanges. UBIT. BLOFIN. War of the Whales trading competition still going on. Get some. KCEX depot bonuses. BTCC. Get it. Do it. Yeah, make sure you don't forget about PSG, maybe. Much love, dude. Enjoy it. Enjoy the weekend. Mandalo carried. Ooh. No, you need a Mandalo fucking send it emoji. I don't think that they'll allow that on Twitch, but you know that's my credo. That's my credo. Also from that movie. Do it. Shishi Booey. Hey, shout outs to you. Hope all is well. Yeah, get situated. Monday market open. We're gonna do it. No. I'm gonna hit the outro because I don't think I said like the last thing that I wanted to. About the CoinWise. Yeah, we've been juicing on CoinWise. Huge shout outs to CoinWise. Exclamation CoinWise. Coinwise.com/dashboard. Oh no. That was the wrong one. I was checking the stream schedule. There we go. I need a refresh. Oop. Oop. There it is. Coinwise.com/dashboard. Oh, there's, I mean, came close. Did this adjust at all? Neat. Yeah, it could be a little bit of action into the options tonight. This is looking less good. Pulling back. But do you? Oh, Barentina! You're catching the very end, brother. I hope all is well. Hope you have a great weekend. How you doing, dude? Happy Thursday. Shout out to Coinwise. Yeah, and we saw some of the new indicators today. Juicing. Loving it. Send them. That's right, Maestro. All right, y'all. I'll catch you bright and early on Monday. Catch you in the Discord. Until then, shout outs to PSG. Shout outs to the dashboard. And shout outs to Coinwise. I love ya. Valentina, Shishibui. Always, man. Sorry to see you right at the very end. I wish we could have, like, had some laughs together. We were talking some shit today, that's for sure. We had some fun. Crypto Cray, Shaggy, Curvies, always. Trembler. Mark. All right, y'all. I'm outie. Inky. Yeah. Oh, we need an all three emote for Fredward. Husty made some cool emotes for himself. I think Cage has made some also. Dude, I don't even know how to work frickin' Microsoft Word, much less the fucking make an emote. Well, y'all. That's right. That's right. I mean, dude, if you like miss the stream, guaranteed that you'll be able to catch the 45-minute fucking outro. You have one, Inky. Nice. Dude, I don't even know, but they were pretty sick, Husty. I remember, I really liked it. Thanks, maybe. Have a great night yourself, dude. Enjoy the weekend. I hope to see you more. But more than anything, I hope all is well for you and the rest of the Lions. All right, big cheers. We out!
It's Mandalo.
Early morning level without a doubt. I'm nerding and we nerding out. Cause we got levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels. We set them. We set them. Pre-market out for the Lions is ready. Coinwise, Sammy and Simon, we steady. Deep cheers when the knowledge connecting. Wise Lions studying with patience. Mandalo. In the morning, I'm nerding and we're nerding out. Early morning levels without a doubt. Calling the zones in the structure. Pre-market nerd out. That's all that we about. Shout out to Coinwise. Cause we got levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels. We set them. Why you be all on the trot if you rushing? Why you not marking the levels of soaking? Wise Lions patient, we build it for structure. Mandalo teaching the code to the public. Coinwise outfits flowing abundance. Knowledge and discipline stacking the hundreds. Every reaction the Lions know how I'm coming. Lions brigade when candles start pumping. Over for the bell ringing, the Lions on a mission. Studying candles, levels, and timing with precision. A boobalito in any market condition. Coinwise with KIMBA'S dominating the competition. We got levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels. We set them. We set them. Pre-market off for the Lions is ready. Coinwise family and similar we stay. Big cheers with the knowledge connecting. Wise Lions studying with patience. Mandalo in the morning. I'm nerding and we nerding out. Early morning levels without a doubt. Calling the zones of the structure. Pre-market nerd out. That's all that we about. Shout out to Coinwise. Cause we got levels on levels on levels on levels, on levels, on levels, on levels, we settle.